Okay, so to graph a formula, we're going to go to sequence, and then you need to make sure you go to explicit. Okay, then we're going to put in the formula that we had before. So type in your numbers. So our formula was 500n. To get your n, go to keyboard. No depth perception. Oh, I didn't mean to put in a Z there. And so you've got your number, and then instead of T for time, we're putting in N instead of T. Once you've done that, you need to go up to this one. So to get your table. First you need to select the formula you want, so tick the box, go up to the spreadsheet, and then you should get a nice table down here. If your table won't let you scroll down, you need to go up to the, come on, focus. You need to go up to the XY button, and then where you want to start at 0, and just make sure you've got enough numbers in for however many you want. So if you want for 10 years, then make sure you've got in 10. I'm just going to chuck in 50 just to make sure we've got enough. All right, and then all your answers will come up down here in a table. All right, to graph this, so we can see the relationship. Whoa. All right, we're going to go up to this button, graph with the dotted line. All right, and it's going to come up like this and we can't really see anything. So what we're going to do is we go up to the one with the arrows. We're going to start at X at 0. So remember, our X is about our years. So if the maximum, so whatever year you want to see up to, so say if you wanted to see up to 10 years, put in 10. If you wanted to see up to 20 years, put in 20. Then we're going to go to our Ys. So this is about the money. So for our Y, we're going to start at 0, just so we can see what we've got. And then you want your maximum to be more than the most amount of money in interest we're going to earn. So I'm just going to choose a really big number. I'm just going to put in 20,000. And then OK. And then your graph comes up here. Now you can see in my graph that I've got a lot of empty space up here. So it means that from the 10-year period, it's not going to go anywhere near 20,000. So that's okay. I can go back in, and then all I need to do is change that Y max. So let's maybe put it at 10. Another way, instead of trial and error, is to look down here. If we want to go up to 10, well, obviously, I'm not going to get past 5,000. But anyway, my graph has come up. Then what I can do, so let's just get this at a big one, so resize. Then what I can do is I can go up to analysis, down to trace, and then down here, we can see my little cursor. So to move along, I can just press across, and then you can notice that down here, the numbers change. So that's saying after 1 year, I've earned $500 interest. After 2 years, I've earned $1,000. After 3, I've earned $1,500. And we can go all the way up. So that's at 10, I've earned 5,000. Now if I want to go further, it keeps going, but we just can't see it. So if we want to see it, go back up to the arrows and change the max. So if I want to see the next 10 years, I want to see 20 years. Yep, come on. What are you doing? Here we go. I'd change that to 20. And my X means still going to be that. Yep, and then we can see the more years. Hope that's a little bit clearer than before.